So the concept is that till now we discussed about the user level, how to add a user, how to delete the user, how to add a group, okay, those type of the stuff. Okay, so now there is a second part will be there about the permissions. Okay, so adding the user is not the solution here. Okay, giving the privileges is a very important. How we can give the privileges? The privileges is indicating that, okay, for example, let it be one user is joined or one user is logged in. So in the moment of the time, okay, let it be one employee is joined to the one of the organization. So once he joined, okay, there is a lot of the things will be going to be happen. For example, let it be he is a part of administration team. So when he is a part of the administration team, there is a lot of, like, edit and modify access he will get. Let it be he is a part of some monitoring team. So when he is a part of the monitoring team, obviously he will be having the some sort of minimal nothing but kind of read only access, or some users only they will be having the modification access. So why we are giving the access controlling? The access controlling we are giving to control the unauthorized manual access. For example, if I give the write access to the, for example, let it be I am running the Flipkart. Okay, so if I give the everyone, okay, write access, whoever performing nothing but whoever using the particular application, they would have disturbed the mechanism. And not only that one, so entirely that is a point of the business side, it will going to be make a problematic situation. To overcome that one, they brought up the new situation, nothing but giving the privileges. Privileges is one of the major concept, especially into the interviews time also. The privileges, especially interview question also, people will ask you in depth, nothing but they will ask you the full-fledged depth of privileges questions. So we need to go through that one. Through that one, majorly we are using the some set of the commands like chown command. Okay, and the second thing is that we are using the change Chgrp command, and the next thing is that we are using some sort of the ACL commands like setfacl, getfacl. So what exactly the setfacl, getfacl will do, and each and everything we are going to discuss about here. So first of all, when going to the permissions will be having this format like a read, write, and execute. So read permissions, write permissions, execute permission. All three will be we are using for the allocation of access. So here read will be we can identify by using the R that equals to the 4, write is a 2, and execute is a 1, and whatever the numbers it is indicating, that is the default numbers. Okay, this is indicated by the in general. Okay, so nothing but 4 to 1 is the by default numbers which is indicated by the user management, nothing but kernel itself. Okay, so read it. For example, I want to give the read access to you. I want to give the, like for example, 4. I want to give the write access to you. I want to give the 2. For example, I want to give the read plus write, then 4 plus 2 equals to 6. I want to give the read, write, and execute permission, then 4 plus 2 plus 1, then equals to 7. So this is the way how we are allocating the access to the users. So coming to here, when for example, let me open the server. So let me load the server. I can show you the things.
Installation done. Okay. Come on.
Sorry.
Installation done. Practice also going on.
Yeah. So just I want to show you into the server only. Okay.
Okay.
It's already installed. I started the server, so it will take you the moment of the time to bring up, right.
Okay. It take a software is having properties 11 GB size.
Which software?
His property just yesterday when I go to practice now. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to download the Oracle Linux now. The size, the application size is 11 GB.
Yeah, because the thing is that you're right. So whenever you are downloading, if you are going with higher versions, means let it be 10 version, 9 version, the
No,
capacity.
no, just I'm download a 9.5 version.
Uh, yeah, yeah, depends upon the version, the capacity also there, because it will give the. So that is the reason we need to have the same capacity of VM, nothing but storage also. If there means no issue. If
I
you
tried 2 3 times, so finally I'm success.
because at the time of the downloading also you will get a lot of the hiccups. For
Hmm.
so I have a server now. So the thing is that let it be pwd present working directory, and sorry, id is a command. What is the user I logged in? lsnl is a listing of files. If you can see that any files, it is showing the three types of the things. Okay, see, this is the one set, this is the one set, this is the one set, nothing but three hyphens. You can see that starting one, again hyphen, again two set of the characters, again hyphen, again a set of characters. So nothing but what are those? So every file will be into the same format. You can see that every file will be the format of in the same thing. So what are those particular format is nothing but that will be the user, group, others. So users is nothing but who are primarily using for the particular file. Let it be I am the person. I'm using the particular file. I will be the primary person. And the second thing is that group. Group is an indication of particular file will be the who will be having the particular group will be. Let it be some automation team, some backup team, some VMware team. Along with me, I am the part of the administration team. Along with me, my entire administration team also will be having the access to access the particular file. Others is nothing but let it be you are a part of administration team, Linux team. Okay, so as a part of your BAU activities, nothing but day-to-day activities, you may need a support for the VMware server. Nothing but VMware server means what exactly the thing. For example, if server is down, you want to go through the VMware console, you want to access the status of that. In the moment of the time, you may need the access for the VMware, but you are not a part of the VMware team. Okay, so in that time what the people will do, they will not act like a user, they will act like a others is nothing but they will be having the some limited access. Maybe they are not a primary set of members, they are using for the some specific reason only, some specific reason only the allocation will be happening. So that is the same way for every file by default, these are the set of the things will be going to be allocated by default. Okay, so coming to the back to our topic, so read, write and execute, these are the three set of the things which are going to be highlighted into the environment. So let me showcase that. First of all, chown command, chown, change ownership. What is a chown command? Is indication of change ownership. Let it be generally if you're going with some scenario based, especially into the office environment, how we will get the particular commandments. So user will come back with a kind of request stating that let it be I'm having a, you can see that Ram College is a one of the directory is there. Particular directory, you can see that root, root, primary and secondary is indicating root and root only. Okay, so what exactly the thing is that user raise a request to me stating that on particular server, let it be one of the particular directory, this particular directory, let it be, if you can go through the particular directory whether it is existed or not, it is existed. So the root particular directory, the privileges primary and secondary both are root only. So the client requested that, okay, change the ownership to Oracle. Means instead of, let it be first, when we receive anything, first of all we need to do the pre-validation, Oracle is there or not. For example, Oracle user itself is not there, means we don't have to perform anything, we need to update to them, the user itself is not there. See, once we receive the any kind of the request, first of all we need to ask that whatever you are performing, okay, whether that is a, what is the purpose of that, and what exactly the need of that, and not only that one, what is the environment, it is a production environment, non-production environment, or those type of the things, and all we are going to collect it. So once we receive, then we are going to do the validation, nothing but the validation. How it will be done, we are logging to the server, we are checking the directory is there or not, we are listing out, and wherever we are going to perform the changes, nothing but if all fine, then only we can do. For example, coming to the my case, okay, I could see that a particular directory is exist and a particular user is exist. Okay, so now everything is fine. Now I am going with the execution of the thing, like a chown hyphen r, chown hyphen r space, what is the username, let it be Oracle colon, let it be root. We'll go with the, okay, I don't want to disturb. Okay, Oracle, Oracle primary and secondary, I want to change it to the Oracle and Oracle, and for the entire arts. So once I changed, I need to go for the validation. Validation, how we can go it? So once I changed, now it is changed, right? Oracle, Oracle. Earlier it was Linux. Earlier it was
Root, no?
and root. Now it
Mm.
changes to Oracle. But here one thing we need to know that what is this R? Chown is nothing but change ownership. The shortcut form of words change. CH is indication of the change. OWN is indication of ownership. Nothing but, for example, you are selling the one property. Okay, the government what it will do, the entire property whatever you are selling, that will be converted into, the property is changing from the one location to another location, no, right? The only the owner is changing. For example, earlier A is the person owner for that one, he sell his property to the B, so now property location will be the same, but the owner is going to be remodified, nothing but earlier A is the owner, now B is acquired the property, now B is the owner for particular property. So this is the way when we are receiving this type of the request, means especially application teams or management team, they are performing on any kind of access related, or they are performing deployment, especially this Apache team, web application team, middleware teams, Java team, you will get a lot of request with this type of the things, you will get a lot of request, and some of the times whatever the request also, particular user won't be there, particular path won't be there, and moreover whenever we are receiving the any kind of the request, we need to ask them, you need to be as a which user. So right now if you can see that here I logged in as a root user, but some of the cases people will tell you that you need to log in as a, let it be Oracle user. Okay, you need to go with the Oracle user. Okay, this kind of the request also you will get. So here we don't have the much permission, so that is the reason for getting this. Okay, so there is a specific scenarios will be there. User will tell you that you need to log in as an Oracle user, or you need to go with a root user. They are indication of user, path, file name, user details, everything they will share you clearly. Once we received, then only we can perform the things accordingly. So the chown command changing the ownership. Then what is the R? The R is a nothing but recursive. For example, let me go to this particular directory. If you can see that I change the permission for the arts, but inside arts I could see that staff is there, students is there. Let me trigger the tree. You can see that staff is there, students, staff, again some file is there, student, there is a some set of other files are there. Now the thing is that I changed for the art, but everything is changed. Let it be. We'll go with one more scenario. Chown, let it be root. So let me list out. Right now it is with the Oracle article. Okay. My requirement is that I'm not using the hyphen R. Okay. Let it be. I'm using the root. Okay. So once I host, now it is changed to root and Oracle. That's a fine. So what exactly the difference here will go means, inside things are not changing. You remember when you go to
Mm.
the first step, we are going with the Oracle and Oracle. Right?
Mm.
You remember
Yes.
Oracle we done. Okay. But this time we are going with the root and Oracle. So
Okay.
here what exactly will be happening? Same thing now. Okay. Now same thing we will perform. Let it be. This is the thing, right? Now same thing I'm going to perform. Let it be
Okay.
root
Mm.
and root. Okay. Hyphen R symbol I'm using. So I'm using the hyphen R for what? Student.
Recursively. Mhm.
Okay. Everything is changed, right?
Yes.
So what is the difference here means, R is a nothing but the subdirectories also will be reflected. Nothing but entire the tree mechanism. The entire tree mechanism, everything will be going to be changed accordingly. Whereas without R indicating that, it will be focusing on whatever the file you want to do it. Nothing but individual object. You got a point, right? So individual object only it will be focusing on, not everything. So that is one of the major concept, because interviews people will you ask why we are using the capital R. R is a nothing but what is the purpose of the R? Why we are using the capital R into the real time? So that is a major purpose. If you want to change the ownership for the everything, or if you want to change the ownership for the few set of the thing, that is the majorly we focused upon. Okay. So this is about the chown command. So in the same way, change group. So a change group is also one of the same set of the thing. Okay, it's allocating any specific group owner, any specific directory we are using change group. For example, This is also in real time. Change group is a very rare scenario. Okay, we may get change group. Okay, let it be there is a one group will be there. Here we are allocating the user, here we are allocating the group. Change group, let it be students, like this. So here what we are doing, root is a user. You got a point, right? Root
Hmm.
is a one of the user, but group is a nothing but set of users. You understood what exactly the difference? Let it be
Nothing.
you are a part of admin team. Okay,
Huh.
your user ID will be, let it be 1234, or your
Hmm.
user ID will be the root.
Okay.
Right? And
Hmm.
entire admin team group ID will be there, right? For example, let it be inc underscore linux or test group.
Hmm.
The test group will be consisting of set of users, nothing but, for example, your team 20 members there means all the 20 members will be the part of the activity, nothing but all the 20 members will be the part of the activity. They are going to be consolidated, nothing but they are going to be get the access for particular group. So that is the reason majorly we are using the test group. The test group is a mechanism majorly we are focusing on allocating the resources to the for set of group, whereas change ownership we are focusing on individual users. So we are focusing on individual users, but coming to coming to here, we are focusing on set of the group. So that is the major difference between the CHOWN and change group and change ownership. Okay,
Hmm.
understood, Sachin?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the thing is that not only that one, there is a few more things also there, nothing but CH mode. So when you are using like a read, write and execute permissions, some set of users, let it be, we have a particular directory, we have a particular directory. This particular directory, let it be touch test 111. Okay, this particular directory, sorry, particular file, we have a file. So the user said that we want to give the permissions, nothing but he want to execute the script, otherwise he want to execute the some sort of operation. In the time like a read, write and execute permission, he said that to 7 is a nothing but full permission to the user. 6 is an indication of, okay, 4 plus 2 read and write permissions. For others they ask us to give the, let it be read operations only. Ch mode, like let it be 767. Okay, test. So nothing but you can see that earlier the color was something, now the color is something different, nothing but both of
Hmm.
them are changed accordingly. So the primary focus is that when you are dealing with any kind of things, automatically the things are changing immediately. Okay, so nothing but you can see that the permissions also, earlier we have a different permissions, now the permissions also read, write and executable. Now read write for the groups, read write executable means you can see that 3 read write is a like a 767 or like that. For example, same thing, let it be client ask you that give a executable permissions. Automatically the entire permissions will come. Executable permissions means everyone will have the rights to execute the thing. For example, let it be this is one of the script. This particular script you want to execute means you are going with a kind of the concept called executable permissions. Executive permissions will help you out to share the things or share the mechanism. Okay, so this is about the chmod command. Chmod command basically we are using for the giving the privileges. So in real time example also, especially in production environment also, the application team come up with a clear instructions. Okay, like these numbers they will give the clear number, nothing but give the 765, give the 777 permission, give the executable permissions, give the read permissions. They will come up with a clear instructions, file name, location, user, everything they come back. Based on that we need to collect it and we need to execute the things. So next thing is that setfacl, getfacl. What is a setfacl and getfacl? Let me open the document. Let it be, this is the one of the user, getfacl. You can see that here. So coming to the particularly getfacl is the command. It will help you out to give the who is having which permission, what is the level of permission, each and everything it will be showcasing. Getfacl is the only for the printing of the permissions. It is not modifying anything, just listing of the particular file who is having the which permissions, just showcasing that one. There is some sort of the reasons. Okay, for example, there is some sort of the reason you may get a differences, like get facl. So this is a particular directory. This particular directory you can see that the file name is this one, owner is Oracle, and group is Oracle. Okay, so it was listed earlier, so it is same coming owner and group. Users are having the read and write operation, so based on this it will going to be calculated. Okay, and groups are having the read and execute permissions, and mask is something like that, he is having the different others. See here, mask is a one of the different user. Okay, some different user he have a read and write permission, nothing but the primary focus is that particular directory who is having the which access, what is a primary. So there is a some of the cases we want to do the modification of the things. So nothing but instead of giving the privileges, we are giving the set facl, set facl hyphen m. M is nothing but modification. Set facl hyphen m and user. So what is a user? Let it be user is okay. Test is one of the user. If they, I will check it out whether the test user is there. Okay, test user is there. Set facl hyphen m modify user test. Let it be earlier. I want to give the particular user read, write, execute permissions. Read and write and execute permission for the particular file. Let it be particular staff. So what exactly I given here? So there is a other users also there. I'm not bothering about that one, but the requirement is that they are performing some kind of the migration activity. There is a maintenance activity they are performing. On the moment of the time, the client said that this weekend we are having the client activity. In that time, we need a separate privileges for test user. Nothing but particular user we want to do the modification. So he want to give the privileges for test user. Usually other users will be having the read and write access. Otherwise, client said that okay, we want to give the only read access to the particular user. So especially this user supposed to get a read access, because As a part of the maintenance activity, we don't want to give the full-fledged permission to them. We want to give the only read access. So that is what exactly we pushed into the environment. So this is the way how we are modifying the changes into the, like, setfacl, getfacl. This is we are calling as access control limits. So what is the difference between earlier cases and these cases? Earlier cases we are dealing with only one file or something, but coming to here we are dealing with a set of things. For example, set of directories, set of subdirectories, particular directory we are giving the privileges. Okay, so this is the way how we are doing into the real-time environment also. So any doubts, bro?
No,
So the concept is very simple. The thing is that we need to be practice. Otherwise, you cannot come back with the things and all. Okay. So just the review of the things and all. Okay. So in permission topic, we discussed about execution, change group, permissions, setfacl and getfacl. These are the different type of the things we discussed upon. Okay, so have you understood any doubts?
yeah, no, sir. Clear.
Actually, we need to be practice, then only we will get a clarity of the thing.
Mm.
Okay, so along with this one, there is a two more things also there. 1 minute.
Please continue.
Yeah. So there is one more topic actually we need to be cover up. Okay, let it be ID test. There is a one user ID test is a one of the
Mm.
user is there. This particular user. Okay, so cat/etc
Password.
password grep -i. Let it be I want to search the
Test.
particular user. Okay, along for a test there is a number of users are there, but I want to go with a specific user. Then I want to remove the high. Okay, so let it be this is a one of the user. Okay, let it be you want to go with the demo. Demo is the best.
Mm.
So demo is one of the user. The requirement is that, so the client said that particular user homed the shell /bin/bash /bin/bash. The request is that you want to change the shell to bash to sh. So bash to sh user mod hyphen yes. Okay, what exactly the shell he want to change it? /bin/sh, and along with the who is the user? The user is demo.
Okay.
So automatically if you can gone through means it will be changing. But when you are performing in real-time production environment, the purpose always if someone is requested anything means always we need to collect the purpose of that and information of that. Based on that only we are going to perform. Without that we are not touching upon anything. Okay, so this is a one of the thing. Some of the times we are going to get a home directory. For example, this is a home directory, right? Let it be /home/demo. Okay, so now the client is requested that change the home directory of, let it be home, let it be /tm. So the client said that you change the project from the Airtel to Vodafone. So when you are Airtel, your all the home information, the user information will be stored into the /home/demo. But once you change it to the Vodafone, the path is also now changing. We are not deleting the user here, just we are modifying the permissions. So nothing but the path we are changing. So how to change the path? By using the hyphen d. D is nothing but the directory. D is nothing but directory, and above one s is nothing but shell. Okay, so this is the what how we are dealing with the modification of shell and the directories also. So one more thing, password is the command. It will help you to assign the password for the user. Okay, so how you are going to change test the password? Su space sudo. Okay, since you are a root user, you are able to log in. Okay, if not, generally we are going with a, okay, when you are logging to the console, you will see the demo as a client. Whatever the password you given, that particular password, we can see that. If you want to see the more information, chase hyphen l demo. The demo will list you out all the information of the user. Okay, what exactly the information it is, everything it will be listing out. For example, you want to do the changes of any parameter as per the client need. Okay, minimum is let it be one something, whatever the things are there, everything will be as per the client need. You can change it by using the chase command. This chase command is directly interacted with your shell, that you remember, right? So this
Yes.
is directly interacted with the your shell mechanism, and it will be so nothing but your shadow, not a shell, your password. Okay, it will be password and the shadow, it will be directly interacting, and it will be doing the changes over there. So any doubts, bro?
First you chess and what is the chess here? Change demo. Okay, it is okay. And chess here means minus here hyphen means
L is nothing but list.
list. Okay.
For example,
Mm.
let it be the requirement is that client said that he is not able to log in or something.
Mm.
Okay. L is nothing but just the listing. You are not doing any kind of the modification. In a change, just drop the N. Okay, chase hyphen L demo. For example, you want to do the modification. Client said that number of warnings here are 1. I want to
Mm.
make it as a, let it be 10. Whatever the no changes are, don't type anything. Okay, change expectation warning. Let it be 10. He want to make it.
Mm.
Okay, so nothing but like this.
Mm. Okay.
Okay, so
According
this,
to client, which changes, no? Mhm.
yeah, yeah. So nothing but only whatever the types you want to go enter it, only enter those things only, other things and hit the enter. Okay, so that is the
Yeah.
way how we are interacting with this. So this one will be having some sort of, this is having all the things and all. Okay, and not only that one. So these are the different type of the interview questions where we will get it, and how you are managing or some sort of informations. Okay, just go through it.
This is available in the drive also.
Yeah, yeah, it is there in drive. All the things are there in a driver.
Show me
So I will do
exactly.
one thing. I will create a one scenario. Okay,
Mm.
so I will do one thing. I will create a scenario and I will upload into the driver. Okay,
Yes, yes.
just
Yeah.
practice. And the thing is that other people are not there, they are not able to copy the content. I will make it as a one notepad. I will upload into the same folder. Okay, workout folder. So there you people can access the particular drive, particular notepad, and you can start working on the things also.